Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix DLL errors or setup crashes in FitGirl games. Follow these steps guys. Before open the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection. After turning off, just minimize this page. Double click on the setup folder, double click on setup and select yes. Select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys. Limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage. And make sure nothing is running in the background and select next. Select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select OK and select next. Check all these and select install option. After the installation done, you just need to open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select the add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option and the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just to close stuff here and uncheck this option guys. Redirect to this site, open this site and select finish option. As you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. No fatal level like guys. Thank you.